Hi, my name is Jack Canales. I'm a senior at Providence Christian College, and I hail all the way from Dallas, Texas. I think what's made Providence stand out to me academically and spiritually has really been how much I've been challenged by it. It's made me learn where my weaknesses are and how to better reinforce them and what I need to focus on. And that goes for everything spiritually and academically, and it's helped mold me into a much stronger version of myself than when I first came in. I've had a lot of people, a lot of my friends and a lot of professors come to me and correct me about something that I'm not doing well on, and that has been greatly influential in my life, whether it be like a wake-up call or be friends that are looking out for me and helping me to grow in what I'm doing, and just watching out for me whenever I slip or whenever I struggle in something. And so walking with Christ has been a lot easier knowing that I'm not just doing it alone. A lot of these people will work to help you grow, and they're going to help you find a place to go whenever your time here is done. They are dedicated to helping you succeed in your future, to succeed in your walk in faith, and to have a prosperous and God-fearing life. It's an experience that I never imagined I would have something quite like in my life. And now, at the end of about 4 years, I've gone from having no idea what I was going to do, no care as to what I was going to do, to now being set upon entering the world of education and even pursuing my own artistic endeavors. I'm already teaching a class right now, and I hope to be teaching in the future too. And it's exciting stuff, and it's life-changing. And I couldn't be more grateful for my time here, and I hope everybody gets an opportunity like I've had.